Welcome back to the channel. I've just received my new mats for the truck. As you can see from the previous mats, there's a big difference in the box. We're gonna go ahead and open these up and take a look. Just off the packaging, you could tell that these are going to be much better quality than the previous mats that I ordered for the truck. I won't mention the company's name because I've already done a video regarding their mats and reviewing the mats and the experience that I had dealing with the company, as well as getting my money back. The name of these mats here are TuxMat. They're from a company in Canada. Saw some reviews, and the reviews that I saw all seemed to be pretty good. So I decided to try this company. Instead of going with something like WeatherTech or the Husky mats. Nothing wrong with those. I just wanted to try something else. It seems like a lot of people do have the WeatherTech, and I'm sure it's the reason why, because they are good mats, I'm sure. But I like to try other things when possible, so I don't have the exact same things that everyone else has. So I found TuxMat. Immediately taking these mats out, I could tell you there's a big difference again from the previous mats that I had. As you can see, they're folded but not extensively like the other mats were. These are just the mats that go in the rear, and from the fold you can see it's likely not going to be a hard crease like the other mats were. Alright, so I have the mats out of the box, and you can tell from here this is a much larger coverage area than the previous mats I ordered. They look like they're going to fit much better. So these mats here, this is for the rear. It covers all the way under the seat of the rear seat, and then it goes partially under the front seat here. So like I said, these look like they're going to fit much better. We'll see.